Yeah. This is Soho County King, head of Sons of Lucifer, Nigeria, First Sons of Lucifer Foundation, Nigeria. Yeah, there's an announcement I want to make. You know what I mean? This ain't for the Sons of Lucifer artists or the rappers. This is for the Sons of Lucifer in Nigeria that are actually militants and some of my Sons of Lucifer children and adopted kids, and also Sons of Lucifer street people out there in London as well, and Sons of Lucifer worldwide. So basically, yeah, Sons of Lucifer, this is an announcement to you to kill off Lyndall Crawford's kids, all of them, N9, warn that, on that, kill off their kids one time. Damien Dubs, kill off his kids one time. You know what I mean? Know what I mean? Linda Crawford, N9, Sons of Lucifer, and N9 is on, man. Is on. Sons of Lucifer, N9 is on. Is on. Also shout outs to second Sons of Lucifer as well. Man past man, I know I'm coming to see you in Annabelle State and shit like that. So I hope you can listen to this announcement and then make it tilt the shoulders, make a little leverage way and stuff like that, and traditional worshippers as well, white witches and wizards. You have to kill these people off, man. These people are pests to us. They're pests. You have to kill them off.